In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Payhip. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless way to automate your workflows between these two platforms, helping you save time and enhance efficiency. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Zapier account. To do this, head over to zapier.com in your web browser. Once you're there, if you already have an account, simply click the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the prompts on their website. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub for all things Zapier, where you can manage your existing Zaps or create new ones. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new Zap. On the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll see a button that says Create Zap. Go ahead and click on that. This will start the process of setting up a new automation, which Zapier refers to as a Zap. Think of Zaps as magical connections between your apps and their events, where whenever something happens in one app, it automatically triggers an action in another. Next, let's set up the trigger for your Zap. In the Zap editor, you'll need to specify what app and event will trigger your automation. Begin by searching for Payhip in the search bar provided. Once you have located and selected Payhip, you'll move on to selecting a specific trigger event. This could be something like new sale or new membership, depending on what activity you want to keep track of. This trigger is what will initiate the Zap, so choose the event that aligns with your needs. After choosing the trigger event, you'll need to connect your Payhip account to Zapier. Zapier will guide you through the steps necessary to link your account. This usually involves logging into Payhip through Zapier and granting the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Payhip data. Don't worry, this step is secure, and Zapier only needs this access to pull the information necessary to trigger your automation. Once your Payhip account is connected, it's time to test the trigger. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly and that Zapier can fetch sample data from Payhip. Click on the Test Trigger button, and Zapier will pull in sample data from Payhip to make sure the connection is working smoothly. If the test is successful, you'll see the data displayed on your screen, confirming that data from Payhip can indeed trigger your Zap. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zapier with Payhip, creating the foundation for automating tasks based on your chosen trigger events. This integration will enable you to streamline workflows and focus on what matters most. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!